Okay, great. Now we are going for the links. Hyperlink, it is called as HTML link tag. Tag is a anchor tag. For the links we are going now. So tag is a, attribute href, that is a reference, hypertext reference. So here you can give the link where you want to go. Suppose I am writing pngg.svpm.org.in. Here after clicking on this I want to go here. So this is the anchor tag, but the text which will be displayed to the user, that we have to write here. Suppose I write click here, click here. So observe this. Let me delete the font also so that you can concentrate on this. So this is the link. Click here. I may change this. These are the visible contents. Okay. Then when I will bring the mouse on this, check at the bottom. Check at the bottom. What is it is showing? What link it is showing? 127.0.0.1:5500 /engg.svpm.org.in. But this is not the correct address of engg site. So let me try for giving http. Okay, that is reflected. Yes, now it is proper. Now it is proper. When I will click on this, it will go to the college site. So this is the link attribute. Sorry, this is the link tag to prepare a hyperlink. Anchor tag, very simple, only a you have to write. The most important attribute of that is href. Okay, h reference, and here you have to give the path where you want to go, then the body of this tag is the text which you are going to display. After clicking on that text, you can go to the another that targeted resource. So tell me, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
understand this? Okay. Now observe, when I am clicking on this, link, my that new page is opening in the same window. Correct? My new page is opening in the same window. Suppose I don't want that. I don't want to lose the control of my first page. I want that the page should be opened in the another tab. So for that, along with h reference, you can go for one more attribute, target. Okay. For target, you can write underscore blank this value. Just I have added one more attribute, target. You are able to see the link. Now let's see what happens. Yes, now it is opening in new blank tab. This is my original page as it is, and this is one more tab is open. Fine? Is it fine? Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so like this different things which we are going to learn from the link. Now from this point, this tag, we will go in much deep for the tags, because previous tags very easy and there is not much variety, not many different important attributes which we should take care. But from link onwards, all elements we should go in deep. So now I will prefer to go to the W3 school site, and from there we will learn the things. So that it will be very clear to you. Link, the title attribute, one more attribute you can go with is a title attribute. Specify the extra information about the link. See, are you able to see my that browser screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yesterday,
Yes,
actually,
sir.
I was expecting to show you this. So, see, on this, I went to the HTML tutorials, and from that, now I reached to the links, HTML links. Fine. See, now, suppose this is the code I want to try. That after clicking references to the W3 School site and title tag I want to experience. So, here you will find that there is one try it yourself button. I clicked there, so you can observe now I have two parts. First part this and second this. So this left part is where I can code. I can type the code and that will be reflected in the right hand side. Let's see first that first and then suppose this is I have added. So these contents are now as per my addition. So I hope you might have understand how to use this. Let's concentrate on this link now. Go to the W3 schools section. Okay, so are you observing now? When we will give the title attribute, when we will give the title attribute, what change is happening? Can anyone tell me what different thing you observed? Let me show you again. This is the link. If our previous link is there, when I am bringing the mouse here, yes, what is happening? No tooltip is there. Means for what purpose it is. But when you will bring mouse here, it is showing that go to W3 schools HTML section. Yes, all of you are able to observe it.
Yes, sir.
So title is for giving the extra information about that page. You may check. Suppose I am going to change something. Run. So accordingly, it will show those contents. So remember the title. Title